Barcelona is a city I know pretty well, so I felt fairly confident when we arrived there on our cruise that I would be able to make my way around the city. First, we headed for the cruise bus. It was €4 for a return ticket, which dropped us just around the corner from the bottom of La Rambla. From here, we took a quick stroll up to the market just off La Rambla. Here you can buy all sorts of food. They have some really unusual varieties of fruit and a large range of meats and fish. When we had finished at the market, we headed the rest of the way up La Rambla to Plaza Catalunya, where we got the bus to Tibidabo. Tibidabo is a hill that overlooks Barcelona and the surrounding countryside. I never realised that there were so many valleys and that the landscape was so lush beyond this hill. It is so much cooler than the city below. On top of the hill stands the Sagrat Cor Church and an amusement park. I'll be coming back to the church shortly. For a couple of euros, I think it was €3 or €4, you can take a lift to the roof, which offers even more wonderful panoramic views. Bear in mind that if you wish to go to the top, some climbing stairs is involved. As always, when exploring any city on your own on a cruise, it is important to get back to your ship on time, just in case traffic is bad. The ships will not wait for you. I could have spent longer at Tibidabo. I got back into the city early, called my return bus. I even had time to shop in the duty free, all well before sail away.